Kia ora and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. In today's episode, we're going to look at scheduling a guide browsing session. Scheduling your guide browsing sessions for a future date will save you time as you can duplicate these sessions repeatedly. This is great when you're busy with small group instruction or have an emergency dentist appointment. You can schedule a guide browsing session as a template. Start by choosing a focus or filter session. Enter the website link or links you want to allow or restrict. Decide how long you want the session to last. Decide what you would like to happen at the end of the session. Choose if the session will be for the whole class, certain groups, or specific learners. Select the date and time you want this session to run. Click Save as a Template and name the template. Click Schedule Session. You can view all sessions created for the current week and any upcoming sessions, and you can duplicate and edit any past sessions you've created. Thanks for watching.